Okay, so this is the first building to the Elms Place. There's currently one rental in the Elms Place. The Elms Place is made up of 3 buildings, 4 townhomes in each building. This is the common shared walkway that leads you to 1986. This is building number 2, where 1986 Sheridan Road is housed. It's a 2-story townhome with a partial basement. This is the little courtyard that you can put a table or whatever, chair. There's a little brick paver patio. You can put some bushes if you'd like, but this is the exterior. This is the inside of the townhome. This is the front door entrance. There is also a front hall closet for your coats and boots and vacuum cleaners, whatever you want to store in there. Then this is the main open floor plan to the townhome. This is the living room area. It does have floor to ceiling windows. There's a little nook over here. You can put a TV on this wall. You can put a TV on that wall. This is the shared dining room area, staircase leading up to the 2nd floor. This is the hallway to the bathroom and the kitchen. The kitchen is white cabinets. You do have an oven. Here is the oven. There is a gas cooktop, a sink. There is also a garbage disposal down there. You've got butcher block countertops. You do have a dishwasher. And there is a refrigerator. Again, you've got plenty of cabinet space for your dishes and serving. There's plenty of space for a table or an island. This is the 1st floor bathroom. Does have custom millwork, does have a newer sink, and here's your toilet. Does have a full mirror. It also has a pantry right outside, so you do have a full pantry. Again, here is the open floor plan concept. We're going to go upstairs now. These are, I believe, 10-foot ceilings. The staircase does go to the 2nd floor. We'll start with the bedroom on the end, which is the 3rd bedroom. Here is the 3rd bedroom. The closet is right here, and this is the closet for bedroom number 3. Then you go back outside and you come across the staircase again, and then in the middle you have the middle bedroom. Blinds are closed right now, so it's a little dark. Here is closet for the bedroom number 3. If you open the blinds, you will see just the building next door and some greenery. The master suite is next. Master suite is pretty large. I think it's oversized. You can definitely fit a king bed in here. You can also have room for a desk to overlook the courtyard. That is the view from this window, and this window you'll see this view. There are 2 double closets in the master bedroom. Here's the bathroom to the master. It is en suite. And you do have storage. And I apologize, I can't get the walk-in shower as well as I'd like to, but the walk-in shower. At the end of the hall, the bedroom 2 and bedroom 3 share the hall bathroom. The hall bathroom does have a tub shower combination, full mirror, sink, toilet, and new shower head. So I've just come down the staircase to the basement / garage. Here's the laundry room, which is also the basement for 1986. It's got your furnace, it's got your hot water heater, has plenty of storage, it has your electrical panel. It does have access, which is locked, double locked. This is the shared garage space. You do share it with 1984. This is all your room. You can also store some more things. If you want these mats taken up, that's not an issue, that's not a problem. This is how you come in to the garage. You actually arrive through Elm Place, drive down the driveway, have a garage door transmitter, and then you enter your property where you walk into the private door, which can definitely be locked. So that's it for 1986. Let me know if you have any interest. Pam Devendorf, Coldwell Banker, 847-989-0711.